My announcements are pertaining to the option and the posting. I know the results are important today, but there are also important information that you need to take away with you today regarding option capturing, choosing your secondary schools, as well as posting. So we will release those information first, because once you get your results, nobody wants to listen to anything else.
今天声音不是很好，那我要同学呢做一次最好的。如果做得不好，我不要公布成绩。啊，好，要做一次好的。来，同学们早安。还有家长。好了，家长您说他们做得好不好？做得好的话，鼓掌。 那今年我们总共有459位考生，459位。This year, we have altogether 459 candidates sitting for 2007 PSLE. Muslim with 435. Foundation cost 24. Okay, 459. Next. National passes 97.7%. For merge stream first, merge stream we have achieved 100% passes. For foundation stream, you have achieved 91.7%. Last year, the foundation stream has achieved 88.9. So it's an improvement for our foundation stream. So a big round of applause for our foundation pupils. Based on the total cohort of 459. Okay, look at the figures. For national, only 63.5% of the total cohort are eligible for the express course. There's no special course this year. MOE has merged the express and the special course. Our school has achieved 86%. 86% of our merge stream pupils are eligible for the express course, including the special. Okay. So last year it's also 86%. So we maintain our performance. So well done. Pupils scoring 250 and above. Okay, excited, huh? Last year, only 69 of you has achieved 16% have achieved 250 and above. This year, we have increased the figure to 20.23. 88 of you have achieved 250 T-score and above. Okay, please take a closer look. In other words, in merge stream, 90% and above are eligible for the express stream this year. 90% and above in the bus stream. Why? You asked me just now why 86%, now why 90%? Because just now the figure, how did we get the figure 86%? Because the total number of candidates. Whereas this one is only the pupils doing the bus stream or the standard course. So 90% of you in fact are eligible for the express course. Okay, next. Foundation stream, of course, 91.67% are eligible for the NA or NT course. Okay, next. Performance by subject. English, 63.7% of our pupils had scored A and A star as compared to 44.2% across Singapore school. Last year, the figure was only 59.01. So, well done. You have made improvement in A and A star for English language. Chinese, 94.7% have achieved A and A star as compared to 81.1% across Singapore schools. Last year, the figure was 92.45. So it's also an improvement for your cohort. Next, 58.4% of our pupils has scored A and A star as compared to 44.0% across Singapore schools. Last year was 52%, so it's also an improvement. Science, 60.7% of our pupils has scored A and A star for science as compared to 42.6% across the board, across Singapore schools. Last year figures for science subject, we in fact had dipped a little bit. Last year was 64, but this year 60. However, please give yourself a big round of applause for 3 subjects we have made improvement in this PSLE 2007. Higher Chinese, 21.5% of you has scored distinction as compared to 18.6% across Singapore schools. Last year was only 20%. This year, 21.5%. Well done. Our top pupils.